Why am I standing in the middle of a solar farm in South Central Virginia? Well, because of these guys and their hundreds of buddies. They're out here grazing on dozens of acres of land every day. And why? I'll show you.
Walk up, away to me, come by, lie down.
We're here to manage the vegetation.
Farmer Marcus Gray showed us how his sheep lambscape more than 200 acres at Dominion's Sussex Drive Solar Farm.
One of the needs that the solar industry has is to maintain the plants that grow in and around the arrays. And so rather than burning fuel with mowers, we use sheep to eat the vegetation.
As part of Dominion's solar grazing program, these sheep clean up more than 40 acres a day across 5 of their solar farms.
We are trying to get creative and innovative in vegetation management.
And it's more environmentally friendly because it saves emissions generated by lawn mowing equipment. All the sheep keeping it green while eating the green.
Grass-fed animals produce fewer emissions than, say, grain-based systems. So it's actually better to have the sheep out here on the land making use of it and concentrating that carbon back into the soil.
The digested grass and manure also helps improve water filtration from rain, which provides a cooling aspect for the more than 80,000 solar panels here, which in turn also makes them more efficient. And it makes the ground prime real estate for any future agricultural needs.
So we're reducing emissions, we're stacking carbon into the soil, and we're stacking the economic and ecological benefits as well.
Sheep are the preferred livestock to have on these solar farms because they're nimble and can easily fit under these solar panels. These solar farms are just one step Dominion Energy is taking towards a cleaner future. This location generating more than 20 megawatts per day, which is enough to power 5,000 homes.
The company has been marching toward an emission-free future, and solar power, solar energy is a big part of that. The sheep are a great addition to this because we've got, they're both very environmentally friendly and sustainable and green.
So overall, not a bad assignment. In Stony Creek, Virginia, I'm Pari Cruz, News 3.